Please welcome our next contestant, Ntsa Ia Xiong.
Historically, Hmong means free, a definition from Dr. Yang Dao, the first Hmong in history to receive a PhD in social science. In my own words and my own thoughts, physically, Hmong is a small, round eyes, large face, and black hair person. Ethnically, Hmong signifies good heart, hardworking, extremely talented, and a tolerant person. Socially, Hmong signifies adaptability, loyalty, and most importantly, survivability. Yes, Hmong is a survivor. The characteristic survival of a Hmong is like water flowing downhill. Nothing can stop its course. When water meets a rock, no matter how big or small, the water flows around and meets again at the other side. It keeps flowing tirelessly until a pond. It slowly fills the pond and overflows. Here it goes again peacefully until another body of water. Hmong has survived for over 6,000 years without a written system and undominated by any human power. From 1975 to 2012, only 37 years, Hmong excelled from 1 doctor to over 500 doctors. That is an average of 13.5 doctors per year. This does not include the thousands and thousands of bachelor's and master's degrees. Hmong is loyalty. In 1965, during the Vietnam War, the Americans asked the Hmong to help join and win the war from communism. A Marine Corps officer during the Vietnam War by the name of Dr. Richard Edwards stated his reason why Hmong people deserve the word loyalty. He entailed that Hmong people are very tenacious warriors. As a Marine Corps officer, he had no doubt in trusting a Hmong. He would never question a Hmong, for they are loyal and dependable. On average, it takes 11 Hmong people to save 1 American pilot during the Vietnam War. A Hmong will hold his position or either die doing it. Hmong is adaptability. From the flat plain of China to the Rocky Mountains of Vietnam, Laos, and Thailand, to the snowy and freezing land of Wisconsin, Hmong survive through all. They adapt and survive to make the best of their surroundings. On average, immigrants of other ethnic culture take 4 generations to adapt to a new environment. Hmong immigrants take 1 generation. Hmong youth, boys and girls, are proud of their customs and traditions. Hmong is me, everything. When you see me, you see Hmong. Hmong is you and I who live and think like a Hmong, who love and respect our honors and tradition. I am a black hair, 5 feet 4 inches, large face and round eye person. I am a free person. Hmong is me. Let's be proud to be Hmong. Thank you very much.
Let's do a lot of research on that. I like it.